Hey gang, Poppy here. This is virus update for April 13th. Tomorrow, I'll be 2 weeks post first stick. On the 27th, I go and get the second one. The only side effect I'm feeling is I got more energy than is good for me. I'm getting enough energy to give myself another freaking heart attack and die. Be careful. You'll have too much fucking energy. Oh, that can't happen? Be careful. Anyway, good night from California. Wear your mask, get vaccinated, and if someone gets too close that you don't know, hit them with your stick, throw a brick at them. It's called attempted murder and you're defending yourself. Make it stick.